Just close your eyes and think about any event or phase of your life that brought a significant change in your life or in your perception towards life. Mostly these events or phase that brings positive change in our life are not so pleasing when you first encounter them. This is the story of one girl who one day complained to her father that her life was miserable and she was clueless how she would be able to make it. She was tired of fighting and struggling all the time. There was a complete chaos in her life because as one problem was solved, another one soon followed. Her father was a chef. He took her to this kitchen and placed 3 pots filled with water on high fire. As soon as the water began to boil, he placed potatoes in the first pot, eggs in the second pot, and coffee beans in the third pot. After 20 minutes, he switched off the burner and took the potatoes out and placed them in a plate. He took the boiled eggs out and placed them in a plate, and he poured the coffee out in a cup. He then asked his daughter, "Daughter, what do you see?" His daughter replied, "It's so obvious, Dad. I see potatoes, eggs, and coffee." He asked his daughter to have a closer look and touch the potatoes, which became soft. He then told her to take the boiled egg and break it. After pulling the shell, she noticed the hard boiled egg. Finally, he asked her to sip the coffee, and the pleasing aroma of coffee brought a smile on her face. He then explained to his daughter that the potatoes, eggs, and coffee, all three went through the same adversity, the boiling water. However, each one reacted differently. The potato went in strong, but hard boiling water made it soft and weak. The egg was fragile, with the outer shell protecting the inner liquid, but in boiling water, the inside of the egg became hard. But above all, the coffee beans were different. After getting exposed to the boiling water, it changed the water and created something new and pleasing. He asked his daughter, "Who are you? A potato, egg, or coffee bean?" We all face adverse situations at some point of our lives, but that doesn't really matter. What really matters is how you react to it. Your reaction can have a significant impact on your life, positive or negative. So make sure you tackle that adversity in such a way that it has a positive impact on your life. By doing that, you are not just positively influencing your life, but the lives of other people around you as well.